Hello guys again, this is Bruno. I came with another wooden project for someone been seeing my projects lately, so they've been asking me for lots of different things. Um, so and it's going to be done in CNC, so I was thinking of I could do a little video of it and see how see how it's done. So I'm going to be using 400 by 200 by 18 mil thick material. It's going to be using plywood. I use quite a bit of plywood for those kind of projects because I've got quite a few offcuts laying around, so could do something. CNC going to be starting from this corner here where the red dot is, so I'm happy with that. So press OK. I did some work on it, on that sign. That's going to be the sign. Looks quite nice actually. So yeah, so I worked on it off camera because it took me quite a little while to sort it out, taking the background off because it was in colored and stuff. So I've got it ready. So now I'm gonna go to toolpaths. I'm gonna select. We're gonna do 1.3 and we're gonna select the V bit. We've got the 60 mil. Quite like to use the 60 mil for that kind of thing. So I'm gonna select, and it's gonna go one pass. It's gonna be just one pass because the depth I'm gonna be going is not that deep, so it's gonna go one. I'm gonna select to go on a line and calculate. So if you want to see what you selected, you can press preview visible toolpath and you just show you like so, and you could just turn around, do whatever you want with it. Let's bring it closer. Yeah, just turn it to the side. Yeah, looks quite good. So now we're going back and we're gonna select, because it's gonna be a cutout bit, so the material is 18 mil thick, so we're gonna go 18.3 and we're gonna select end mill 3 millimeters end mill, so that bit, so it's gonna be 13 passes all the way around, so 13 times is going around, and we don't want it to be on the line. We want it to be outside of the line. We wanted to add the tabs. I've got my ones 9 millimeters length, and in thickness it's going to be 3 millimeters. Probably change that to 4, and the length probably go to 1, so it's going to be a bit better because this is a bigger sign. So if you put 2 smaller tabs, it's not going to be very worth much really, because if they do break, they will break anyway. And yeah, I'm happy with this. 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs, all in good spaces, so it's not in very tight spots like here and there and there. Even there, it's going to be very difficult if you have a tab there to just clean it off. It's going to be very difficult, so I'm happy with it. So I'll close that here, and just going to press calculate. It's telling me I'm going to cut through the material, which I'm fine with it because that's the whole point. and I'm gonna select preview visible toolpath. So it's gonna tell me how it's gonna look. One is cut it. So gonna have a quick look at it and see. It's looking good to me. You could flip them over and see where the actual tabs going to be. So it's going to be, if you zoom it in, it's going to be one there, yeah, and another one a bit further down here. See? So which is good. I'm happy with it. So what I do, I'm just gonna go and save. Close this, save, and I'm just gonna go save toolpaths. So I'm gonna select here, gonna put a love sign and put a V bit, so that way I know it's going to be the first one to do, because with the V bit you do first and just the end mill, and save that one as well. That's going to be sign end mill 3mm, so I know which end mill as well I need to use it. So press a save, and voila, you're done.